ICS has given me this muscle memory of being true to myself and being confident in what I have to say and the value I can give to the community. And this is really important in this world where we gotta be able to voice our opinions and have really constructive conversations about the things we care about. Hi, my name is Win, and I'm from the class of 2011. I am currently working as a product designer, working in the user experience design space for Gasigan Business Technology Group, or KBTG, which is a tech spin-off company from KBank. I think it's really hard to have one favorite memory of ICS. I came to ICS in middle school and I spent 6 years here. I think I've made really good friendships here, and a lot of the fun things that happen at ICS extend beyond the classroom. My time at ICS is filled with a lot of activities. Classrooms become places where we can make films together. It doesn't feel just like academics, but more of a discussion. And outside the classroom, I had so many fun memories playing sports or playing music or doing art with friends, with teachers as well. I think ICS has really impacted who I grew up to be in many, many ways, and has prepared me a lot for my life after ICS during college in the US and also working right now in Thailand. I think one of the things that ICS really helped me was find what my interests are in life, and I was able to explore my interests in many, many fields, both in academics and outside of academics. And I learned that I had a strong interest in art, but also that interest expands to literature or history. And all these things I was able to cultivate at ICS through encouraging teachers and really encouraging friendships